1936. Lahat yan, ito yung tinatawag nilang yung solo, ano ba sa English yun? Torch. Ito yung torch na ginamit nila. Ito 1948 torch in London Olympic Games 1948 Olympics. Dito nila sinisindihan yan nila. Ito ay yung 2022 Winter Olympic Paralympic Games Salt Lake. Ito naman yung Model Olympic Paralympic Games London 2012. Ito yung Hawaii 1952 torch. Ito yung iba't different kinds of torch. 1956, 1960, 1964, 19 yan, lahat yan. 1968, 1972, 1976, 1980 official torch of Olympic Winter Games, 1984, 1988. Yan, marami siya, mahaba. Kung i-isa natin, napakarami. Ito pinakamagandang torch, 2022 torch Winter Games Olympic Beijing. Itong isang to ay Pyeongchang 2018. Ito 2014 torch Vancouver 2010. Ito maganda rin yung torch na to. Itong torch na to ay 1976 torch. So nag-i-evolve yung mga torch. Ito naman is 1988 torch.